Okay, now we have the next topic, that is the keyboard. Okay, so keyboard is basically used for typing text, numbers, and punctuations. And the keyboard has many buttons on it, which are called keys. Okay, different keys have different functions. Here, these are the number keys. Okay, 0 till 9. And these number keys are also called the numeric keys. Okay. And here are the alphabet keys. So there are total 26 alphabet keys. Okay. So here we can see this is the shift key, and here is also the shift key. Okay. So there are total two shift keys. Okay. Two shift keys are here. And what is the function of this shift key? So, so for example, here is my keyboard. Okay, this is my keyboard, and here is the shift key. So what is the function of the shift key? For example, if you want the capital letter, then you press this shift key, okay, and hold this shift key and then press that letter to type the letter in capital. For example, I want the letter that is Q in capital. Okay, so here, this is my cursor. Here, this is my cursor. Okay, and so first I press this shift key, okay, and then hold this shift key and then press Q. Okay, so this is the letter that is Q in capital. Okay, for example, I want the P letter in capital. Okay, so first press this shift key and then hold this shift key, and then you will press this P letter. Okay, so this is in this letter in capital. Okay, now here you can see that here are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0. Okay, and here are the special symbols. Like here you can see this is the @ sign. Here is the hash sign, dollar sign, percent sign, capped, and steric sign. And this one is the bracket open, bracket close, minus sign, plus sign. Okay, so these are the special symbols. Okay, so for example, I want this plus sign. Okay, here I want the plus sign, so I press this shift key. Okay, hold this shift key and then press this plus sign. So this is the plus sign. Okay, and for example, I want this bracket open sign. Okay, so press this shift key, hold this shift key. Okay, and then bracket, press this 9 key, and here is the bracket open sign. Okay, so and I want the simple numbers. For example, I want 5 numbers, so just press the 5 key. Okay, this 7 key, so just press 7. Okay, so now next is, here we can see that this is the caps lock, CAPS, CAPS, caps. Okay, this is called the caps lock key. And what is the function of this caps lock key? Caps lock key is used to type the letter in capital. Okay, like when you press this key, okay, when you press this key, its light turn on. This means that now what you write will be in capital. And if you want to write again in a lowercase, or we can say small letter, then you press it again, this caps lock key. Okay, so which will turn off the light, and this means that you can write in a small letter again. Okay, so for example, I want this letter that is mm, T. Okay, so first I press this key, that is caps lock key. Okay, now I press uh, this key, that is T na. Okay, so press this T key. So here we can see this is in capital letter. Okay, this is the T in capital. Now I want this T in a small letter. Okay, so caps lock, press again caps lock key. Okay, now press again this T key. Here you can see this is the T but in small letter. Okay, so this is the function of the caps lock key. If you want your letter in capital, so press this caps lock key, and then you will then you can write in capital letter. Okay, so this is the function of the caps lock key. Now next is, this is, what is this? This is the key that is backspace key. Here you can see in a clear form this one. This is the backspace key. Okay, and what is the function of this backspace key? Basically, backspace key is used to erase wrongly typed characters. This key is used to delete the letters to the left of the cursor. Like here, for example, here I don't want this bracket open sign. Okay, this plus sign. So first I move my cursor here. Okay, after this bracket sign, and then I press this backspace key. Okay, so this is the function of the backspace key. Now next is here we can see that this is the uh, enter key. Okay, so enter key, what is the function of this enter key? Enter key is basically used to move your cursor to the next line. Okay, for example, here's the line that I'm writing here the name of the country, Pakistan. Okay, now I want to move my cursor to the next line here, and then I will write here another country name, that is okay, and I want again new line. Okay, I want to move my cursor to the next line, so I will press this key. This is the enter key. What is the function of this enter key? Enter key is used to move your cursor. This is your cursor. Okay, so to move your cursor to the next line. Okay, so press enter key. Here you can see that this is the cursor key. This is the enter key function. Okay, so now next is, okay, so here we can see this is the ESC. This is the escape key. This is called the escape key. ESC, escape key. Okay. So using this escape key, you can close the sub menu of the current program. Okay. Where is my current program? This is my current program. Here. This is my current program. This is MS Word. Okay. This is the program. This is the software. Okay. This is the current program. And I open this sub menu of this program. Okay, I don't want this sub menu. Okay, so I press this button, that is a escape key. Okay, so escape key is basically close the sub menu of the current program. For example, here is the paint. Okay, here's the paint tool. Okay, and here's the sub menu. I I click this option, that is the file option. Okay, now I don't want this menu. Okay, so I press this sub escape key, ESC escape key. Okay, so here you can see that the escape key is used to close the sub menu of the current program. Okay, this is my current program pane 2. Okay, so these are the keys of the keyboard. Now next is, okay, for example, you can see also this one. This is the sub menu. Okay, this is also the sub menu of this program. Okay, so I don't want this menu, so I press this escape key. Okay, so escape key is used to current close the sub menu of the current program. Okay, so here now next is activity. Okay, draw an arrow to show what function these keys. Here are the keys, and next column you can see here the functions. Okay, so